Today I want to discuss about structures of data. Here we have three different structures of data. They are structured data, semi-structured data, and structured data. So let us discuss in detail about these three. First one is structured data. So structured data is nothing but the that's organized in consistent and predefined format. Make it easy to access, store, and analyze. Structured data is typically used for business operations, financial transactions. Structured data is simple, clear, and great for tasks like keeping records or generating reports. Highly efficient for storage and analysis in database. Let us see the characteristics of structured data. First one is organized in tables. Structured data is often stored in rows and columns like spreadsheet or a database table. We have rows and columns in these organized tables. Row contains each row is a single record. For example, one person details. Column. Each column is specific type of information. Example, name, age, phone number. Next one is predictable format. The data is always consistent. For example, a column for date will always contain dates. A column for price will always have numbers. Next one is easily searchable. It is easy because it's organized. You can quickly find what you need using tools or queries. For example, search for all people age 25 in a database. So, next one is stored in database. It is typically kept in relational database like SQL, which helps manage and retrieve the data efficiently. For example, relational database. In this, we have some examples MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL. So these are the examples in relational database. Next is here we have structured data. It is organized form. This structured data will be in database. So this is called the database. Here the structured data will be in database. Next one is SQL language. Can easily analyze it by using SQL, that is structured query language. Here we can write the queries to analyze the data. Next one. For example, here we have the database table. Each column has a specific type of information. Make it easy to read and analyze easily. Display are as row and columns within a table. For example, if we take a table with a column rows, name, columns, name, age, salary. So these are the columns in this table. Next one is semi-structured data. Semi-structured schema means it does not follow any strict schema, but it has some organizational properties like tags or marks. Flexible schema allows easy adaptation to changing data format, organized in hierarchical or nested format. Example, JSON, XML. It can be stored in NoSQL database or flat files. Next one is characteristics of semi-structured data. It is partially organized but not fully fixed. Here we use some files like JSON, XML. Example JSON files, XML documents. N- Next one, let us see the use case of semi-structured data. Here we have emails, configurations, mission logs, HTML web pages, scientific data, blockchain transactions, social media posts, sensor data. So these are the examples of semi-structured data. Let us see in detail example of email. Here, email has some structured parts like sender, subject, date, recipient, but the message body can be anything like text, images, links, anything in the body. It is partially organized but not fully fixed. It is partially organized but not fully fixed. Next one is the example of JSON file. Here, the JSON file is contains the keys, for example, name, age, grade. So these act as organizational markers. The structure is flexible. The structure is flexible. Additional fields we can add without breaking the format. Next one is unstructured data. Unstructured data is information that does not follow a specific format or structure. It's messy or does not fit neatly into rows and columns like in spreadsheet. So data is stored in its raw format. So it's make more complicated to analyze data. Let's see the characteristics of unstructured data. So first one is no fixed format. Here the lacks a predefined structure or schema. Can't be stored in traditional database without processing. So that means it does not follow a specific layout. For example, include emails, photos, videos, social media posts, and text messages. It does not have any fixed format. So next one is a diverse types. It can be text, image, audio, video, or mix of these. For instance, a YouTube video has the video itself, a title, and comment. All these are under comes the diverse types. Next one is hard to analyze. Since it does not have a fixed structure, it's more challenging to search, organize, and analyze without specific tools. Next one is a large volume. Here, unstructured data is everywhere and make up a huge part of data we create daily, like tweets or videos. If we take example as a YouTube, in YouTube daily so many videos are uploaded. Here large amount of data is uploading daily. So it is under comes the large volume. It is nothing but the unstructured data. Here the data does not have any fixed format. It is in the unstructured form. So let us see the this is the unstructured data. It does not have any fixed format. So let us see the use case of unstructured data. First one is customer review, and second one is image. Third one is tweets. Fourth one is YouTube. Fifth one is audios. So these are the examples or use cases of the unstructured data. So this is the overall concept of structures of data. Thank you.